You're basically wanting me to...
So what we're doing here, I'm going to tell you. So what we're doing, we've got a 789, we've got a hard communicator, and we have a transmitter. This is our first lesson in how to power up a transmitter with a 789. I've got Tom, Raul, and Mike here. Tom's going to be the first one to try it.
So my positive lead that goes on the resistor side, negative here. I'm going to turn it to the loop power. Now I know my transmitter's on because I have 4 milliamps.
How do we know that the transmitter's on, Tom?
Because you're showing milliamps.
Because we're showing milliamps. If that transmitter's not on, you're not going to have any milliamps showing. Right? That's right. Okay. So now what I want you to do, I want you to get in there and I want you to let's get the communicator on there and let's talk to it a little bit. The communicator will always go on your power wires. On most of the transmitters, you will have 3 terminals, but all of the transmitters are not the same. Okay, I shut down a unit one time because I didn't look at that. All right, so you guys need to make sure that you look at that.
Do we want to add the volts to it as well?
No, let's talk on the let's go with the communicator. Let's talk to the yeah.
All right, so we're going to hit.
So go all the way back out. Exit. Okay. Now go all the way home. Just push home.
Menu.
Home.
Back.
There's a home button. Okay, you're doing good. Okay, so what I want you to do now, Tom, is this. I want you to go into the communicator and I want you to simulate 12 milliamps. Go into the communicator and simulate 12 milliamps. That's going to be under service tools. We'll learn more about this as the class goes. In about 3 weeks, we'll be doing these every day. Every Thursday, this will be the whole class. We're just getting started, man.
All right, we're going to simulate?
Yes, sir. We're simulating.
And then we're going to do loop test. And I'm going to hit OK. And I'm going to hit other.
Yes, sir. Other.
So I can actually add the value. Hit OK. And I'm going to go 12 milliamp output because that's my output. Hit OK.
So you want to check that milliamp output to make sure that milliamp output is correct? I can show you how to hook this up. Let me show you. Set that up to measure milliamps. Now, you see where it says test?
Yes.
You have a positive test and you have a negative test. Go ahead and, yeah. You can grab any wire. You can grab the other side of that resistor. Look at that. Now, look at that. This one's reading 12.004. This one's reading 12.01. I'm happy with both of those. Those are close enough. The first 0 is good. That you know what I'm saying? Those are really, really good. So in the instance, Tom, when you're doing this out in the field, and you don't have this one to power it up to look at that, then you would take this one and you would come over here and you would look at it. That way,
you'd put it in the test mode, right? On the 2 test leads.
On the test leads.
But you already have power to it, right?
Yes, or you can open up this circuit and put it in series, but I'll show you guys all of that later, okay? Okay. A lot of guys don't even know what test is for, but you do. All right? So, and now what's very important here is that some transmitters, these terminal points are configured a little different. So you have to touch it right, because if that power supply is there to the DCS and you touch it wrong, it's going to shut your unit down because it's going to draw all the power down off of your card. Okay, it's going to see your card's going to see a short circuit. Okay, how about that? So let's do this here. You did real good, Tom. What I want you to do is go ahead and take that apart, and we're gonna let one of these other men do it.